Welcome to 16 Middleton Avenue, Castle Hill. The construction update for spring. Beautiful day on site, joined by Pat Kennedy, the project manager for Westbourne Constructions. As I'm coming on site today, Pat, there seems to be a lot more people.
Numbers are really jumping up on site at the moment. We're up well over 200 pretty much every day. A lot of work's happening. We've got windows starting to go in, high level drainage, high level sprinklers, and plumbing and electrical roughings all starting to happen within the units.
Let's show the viewers how we're going through the forms and the concrete pours on the levels. We'll go upstairs. Should have taken the lift. Here we are on building C. Over to you, Patrick. Give us the update on the concrete pours, please.
Thanks, Scott. Here we are, level 7 of building C. Pour going on right behind us. In the back of the shot, we've got building B, level 5 formwork going in. And right at the other end of the job, we've got level 4 building A formwork going on.
We're up to level 7 now of building C.
Only a couple levels to go to the roof.
That's fantastic. I can see the views to the Blue Mountains. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next month for the construction update. Thanks, Pat.
Thanks, Scott.